What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the margin shorthand. Um, a few videos ago, I talked about the margin or the padding shorthand, but today we're going to be talking about the margin shorthand. Same laws basically apply. It's just now it's the margin instead of the padding. So if you did enjoy that video, or if you are gaining value from this series, please consider subscribing because I'm going to keep helping you guys out here, try to make you full stack developers. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So what if you don't want equal margins on all four sides of the box and you don't have time to separate properties of each side? You're in luck. Margin can be written as a shorthand property as well. The shorthand syntax is the same as the padding, like I've said. So if you're feeling comfortable with that, skip to the instructions, otherwise read on. So we're gonna do a little refresher just in case. Similar to the padding, margin shorthand lets you specify the margin properties as the values on a single line. And again, it was the little clock analogy we used. There was the top, the right, the bottom, and the left. Top, right, bottom, and the left. And then you can specify these. So here, this is the top, this is the right, this is the bottom, this is the left. Three values. This basically, the middle one is the left and right. This is the top, this is the bottom. And then this is the top and bottom, and then this is the left and right. Yep. And let's go ahead and use the two values to set the h1 of the top and bottom and the left and right. So h2 here, if I can find it on here, there you go. All right, let's see. So we'll do margin, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the 30 pixels for the top and bottom, and then we're also gonna have the 20 pixels for the left and right as well. There you go. And you really can't notice the difference. Let me see if I can find an H2 that we can see the difference on. Okay, the league embraces. Okay, there you go, right here. Okay, let's delete that and then put it back. So let's pay attention to this one right here. So let's delete that, run it. It looks like this. Put it back, run it. And there's just more spacing around this essentially. So that is the margin shorthand, similar to the padding shorthand. All CSS use the same type of format. And I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, again, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a fantastic day.